The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2015 through 2020 Ford F-150. This truck came in with the RollNLock tonneau cover. I believe this is the XT model, which has these accessory rails that run front and back, which allow connecting of the accessories. So we've just installed the Yakima HD bar SkyLine base system. It's made of these 68-inch long HD load bars, the Yakima SkyLine towers, which have a quick release feature that you just saw there. So locks are recommended, but are available separately if you want to add some security. Connecting the bar and tower combo to the actual tracks are Yakima landing pad 26. So those are in a half set, so you need to make sure you pick up 2 sets of those. And those are their HD versions, which bump up the weight capacity to 220 pounds dynamic. And don't forget, you also need HD adapters to make this all work. Basically, you can use the link in the description below to buy the complete kit, and that way nothing is left out. So this has just been a quick walk around for this vehicle, and as just mentioned, use the link in the description below for more details, pictures, or to purchase the entire kit. That's it for this one. Like always, thanks for watching.